Hey everyone, welcome back to Info Infinity Loop. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating story behind the national flag of Afghanistan, one of the most historically rich and visually striking flags in the world. If you're a fan of learning about the world's symbols, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. So let's start at the very beginning. Afghanistan's flag has changed more than 20 times in just the last century. That's more than almost any other country. Each version tells the story of a different era, shifts in power, changes in ideology, moments of hope and turmoil. Most people recognize the black, red, and green tricolor with the national emblem in the center. But have you ever wondered what those colors actually mean? Black stands for Afghanistan's troubled history, occupation, and struggle. Red stands for the bloodshed for independence. Green stands for hope, prosperity, and a peaceful future. At the center is the national emblem, a mosque featuring a mihrab facing Mecca, surrounded by sheaves of wheat symbolizing unity and abundance. The emblem includes two flags and often the year 1298, 1919, Afghanistan's independence from British control. Pretty powerful, right? Every new government, kings, republics, communists. Islamic states put its own spin on the flag. Some flags dropped symbols for simplicity. Others added Islamic calligraphy or changed the color order. It's a visual timeline of the nation's journey. Today, the flag is still a source of pride for Afghans worldwide. Even as politics shift, the black, red, and green stand for unity and resilience. Those colors and symbols tell a story of survival, sacrifice, and hope. Smash that like button, share it with friends, and hit subscribe so you never miss Info Infinity Loop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.